Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in on my 1970 Chevelle Pro Touring LS1 SS. This Chevelle has gone through a meticulous full restoration. It has been redone in a factory Chevelle GM color called Fathom Blue. The paint, 1 out of 10 is a 10. This was done and completed in 2019. They did the Super Sport white stripes. It's all been clear coated and painted over really nice. Beautiful show quality paint job. Fit and finish is really nice. It's got the correct cowl induction flapper door hood with the hood pins. Beautiful frame off rotisserie restoration. All the bezels, chrome, are excellent in new condition. Brand new American Racing 17-inch wheels all around the car with new tires, the Nitto tires, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Look at the reflection. You can shave in the paint. The flapper door on the hood does function. All the emblems, chrome handles, mirrors, like I said, all the trim, all been redone. Look at that reflection. Here's your rear chrome bumper. Now we'll check out the trunk area. There's a brand new bumper jack. That's for your EFI system. And I got all the paperwork for the car, even including the custom auto sound system. Both quarters have been replaced professionally on the car. The trunk is in excellent condition. Will not be disappointed. So now we'll check out the interior that has been all redone. All the weather stripping, new door panels. I do have the piece, the emblem that goes here. I do have that, and I will put that on. Again, this is a new build with less than 300 miles. Door jambs are perfect. Door sill plates. Pro car bucket seats, adjustable. They hug you really nice. Look at the door jambs. It's SS gauge package. Nice gauges. Super Sport steering wheel. This car has functional heat, air conditioning, wipers, horn, tight headliner, dome light works, center console with the staple shifter, seat belts intact there. No disappointments on the interior, and it's all brand new. Check out the passenger side as well. All new weather stripping, like I mentioned. Professionally restored. And in a moment here, we'll go through the engine compartment. And now the best part. Brand new crate LS1 with under 300 miles on this full build. Power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes, cold air conditioning, and everything is brand new. Check out the firewall, how nice and smooth that is. Everything's been professionally done and put together. It's got the 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission, 12-bolt Posi rear end with 331 gear ratio, and you can see all the photos that I taken underneath the car as well. And there's more details about the motor in my description if you guys want to read it and check it out. And in a minute here, we'll fire it up and go for a test drive. So because it's a fuel injected car, all you got to do is turn the key in the on position, okay? Wait about 5 seconds. That's it. Right now, the windshield wipers, I'm waiting for a part to come in so I can hook it up, but that's, just wanted to show you that. Working radio, everything is functional on my car. And now we'll go for a little test drive. So here we are, go for a little test drive. Oops, sorry. Fool you, boys. That was 85 miles an hour, really quick. Really, really quick. This thing handles excellent. Woo! Make sure this goes in reverse. Show you that everything works on it. Who's ready? Who's ready to own this car? Treat yourself. Let's go. Let's do it. Don't forget you got your Bluetooth radio. You can cruise this baby. Your favorite tunes. Horn works. I'll get the wipers going. Vintage cold air conditioning. Heats. Upgraded suspension. Fuel tank. Fuel lines. Rotisserie restored. So one more time on my Pro Touring Chevelle. By now you guys seen all my photos, I'm hoping. You've seen how it drives, how it stops, performance. Now it's time to make a decision. Are you going to treat yourself to the ultimate muscle car? Well, I know not everyone can afford $75,000. Okay, I get it. But this is why we have financing with low rates starting at 3.49%. Okay. No money down is needed. Now, the more you put down, the less your payment's going to be. Also, there's no prepayment penalty if you pay it off early. But guys, gals, this car continues to appreciate about 12% every year. Okay. Stock market up and down, up and down, up and down. But this American muscle car is going to hold your money. Okay. You know it and I know it. If you need financing, go to lightstream.com. It takes 15 minutes for them to approve you on the car. Okay. Go there, fill out the application, and get the approval. I can get this thing in your garage. All you got to do is send me your zip code. I will deliver this thing in an enclosed trailer only. That's how beautiful this car is. For all of you out of country buyers, I have a lot of experience on shipping cars out of the country. So if you need that done, call me, text me, let me know, and we can work on getting this thing shipped anywhere in the world as well. So I'm going to leave you with my phone number. If you have a pen handy, if not, go get one. And I'll give you my phone number and we can discuss the vehicle or any vehicles. Okay? My website is tristateautoil.com. You can check out some other Chevelles, Novas, Camaros, Mopars there as well. All my cars are handpicked. I don't buy any junk. I don't sell any junk. Okay? So again, my name is Tom. I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. This is it, folks. Brand new LS1 crate, power steering, power brakes, 4-wheel power disc brakes, air conditioning, 10 out of a 10 paint job, 10 out of a 10 interior. All the suspension, brake lines, fuel lines have been upgraded. There's no disappointments. Give me a call. Let's get this going. Text me, call me, whatever you like. This is it. This is it. This is the one. You guys have my phone number. Let's get together. Thank you for tuning in.